Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, listen, you guys can see it. Look up there, you can see, look, we at Haven City Market. Everybody been asking me to talk about my restaurant, so here it is. Listen, it's myself and Mike right here. This is me and his, this joint venture. We built this from the ground up. Started out doing a pop-up. From the pop-up, we went to the tent
inside.
Right. Yeah. Then from there, look, we're gonna take you inside, show you all the different restaurants inside, and we're gonna show you the restaurant. Hey, listen, I'm not gonna over-talk it. Mike, I might let you do it, but other than that,
I don't have a whole lot to say. Let's get started. Show you guys the tour.
this place right here is called Sabadi. You know what I mean? Say Lao and Thai street food. One of the things that I like about this right here is, listen, I get inspiration from everywhere, and the fact that it has broadened my horizon since, you know, me and Mike came out here. Mike is like really well versed in the food, but you know what, for me, I'm not gonna lie, you know what I mean? I've been eating that Cajun, that Southern and all of that, you know what? And that's all I know, right? Hey, Mike out here kissing the babies and shaking their hands, right? Hey, so look, I was just telling everybody how this whole market has just gave me a whole bunch of inspiration, you know, for my channel. You know what I mean? And hey, you never know, we might infuse some of this inside of Elmer Jaspers. Hey, but wait, look at here. Hey, look, UPS. Hey, check this out. Look at UPS. Hey, this is what the package. This is what the packages will get you. That right there is fire. So look, hey, oh, come on. Oh, no. Hey, stop it. Right here with Harris, right? This is one of the owners right here. Check it out. I love what you guys got right here where it say the Lao and Thai street food. And I was explaining to everybody how it just gives us some type of inspiration, you know what I mean? Oh, come on, we got the founder, folks.
CEO and founder.
Yeah.
From the great
CEO and founder.
From the great state of Texas, boys.
What's up? How you doing? How we doing?
Hey, I could just say this, man. Me and Mike want to follow in your footsteps. And I'm going to tell you why, because you got 5 locations. And I can see Mike looking at me right now like, hold on.
I want to follow you.
Oh, no. We trying to follow you. Hey, listen, I'm not going to take up none of your time, man. Hey, I love the restaurant. I watched you build this all the way out. You know what I mean? Mike, you got anything you want to say, man?
Nah, man, we watched you guys build your thing out. We were running neck and neck. And
yeah. Well, I want to say
love what you guys do.
Thank you so much for your guys' support, Mike and Aaron. And a big congratulations to you guys. You guys are an asset to Haven City, and it's such an honor to be here with you guys too.
Hey, thank you, man.
Thank you so much.
It, bro.
All right. Our journey has done. We finished together. All right. You guys in SoCal, come visit us. Thank you.
Hey, man, I'm going to put them on blast on Facebook. Best ribs, brisket, since I've been here in California. I'm from PA, representing. That's Pennsylvania.
Yeah, that's right.
I didn't know it was here, but I finally know it's here, and I'll be there. See you here.
Hey, so now you guys see, right? Hey, listen, we super excited to see some of the people that follow us and even the new people that come. You know what, everybody been asking, now you guys see it. Elmer and Jaspers Crab Barbecue is alive. Hey, Mike, anything you want to say?
Going down to see us, y'all. 8443 Haven
That's right, Rancho. Right, Rancho Cucamonga. Hey, with that being said, hey, leave your comments. You know what? I'm reading all of the comments. Let me know what you think. If you guys are local, come on out, meet me and Mike. Listen, it's going down. We about to open. So with that being said, I think I'm out of here. Mike? Peace.